Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your host Keith and you're watching Wild Hack. I know a few of my subscribers have subscribed to my channel just because of wildlife content. I initially started my vlogging with wildlife content and I had named my channel Wild Hack just because I wanted to showcase only wildlife content. But then I realized that I have a lot of content that I can showcase and share it with you all guys. So I started food vlogs, I started travel vlogs, I also started my daily vlogs. So I just don't want to limit myself to wildlife. So I just want to clarify that today's vlog is about taking care of your vehicles, guys. You just need to make sure that when it comes up to bike, you need to maintain it well. You need to take good care of it. And how do you take good care of it? You're very simple, guys. All you need to do is you just need to make sure that you service your bike regularly and you oil your bike regularly. So after, they say it depends on your bike type, but ideally for Activa and for two-wheeler, for a Pulsar, it's ideally 1500 kilometers to 2000 kilometers you have to change the oil. That's what they say, and this is what my mechanic says. So I don't wait for 1500 kilometers. I change it after every 1200 kilometers or 1000 kilometers. That is one thing very important if you have a bike and you want to maintain it and for smooth running and efficiency. So this is what you need to do. And also servicing after every 3 months, you need to make sure that you're servicing your bike, because if you do not service your bike, then ideally the cost will be more. The motorcycle, there are a lot of wear and tears, and because of that then you need to invest and then your cost is more. So make sure that you service your bikes time to time. You can't afford to service your bike, make sure that you at least change your engine oil, because once you change your engine oil, the engine is the heart of the bike. So make sure that it has good sort of engine oil. I have dedicated today's day for my bikes. I have decided that I want to service my bikes. I also want to renew the insurance and also the POC. Due to lockdown, the shops are closed. So now since it's opened up, I have this opportunity to go ahead and renew the insurance. I can do it online, but then I'm a bit lazy, guys. So yeah, so I'll just go ahead and renew the insurance and we'll go and change the bike oil. Alright guys, so after a long time I am out. It rained a bit, you can see this, and it's sunny right now. So now let's motor vlog a bit. We're expecting heavy rains, but there is no signs of rains, and it's dark out there, if you can see right there. It's gone dark, but I'm not sure if it's going to rain. It's quite sunny though. It's going to be rainy season and I won't ride my bike much, so I can service the bike later. But oiling is very important, so I will suggest that in case if you have your bike, even if you are not using it, just make sure that you oil the bikes. Have this option. Okay, there is an option there. Types of insurance renewal done here. So let me check. Excuse me, इंश्योरेंस रिन्यू करता है क्या? एक एक्टिवा है और एक पल्सर है, 2 गाड़ी हो जाएगा. लास्ट ईयर का पॉलिसी है. आई गेट इट विद इन 1 hour ना, एक टाइम ये गया तो 1 घंटे में. ओके, और यू ऑल एक्सेप्ट? अच्छा, गूगल पे ऑल एक्सेप्ट और ओके. चल व्हाट एवर ओपन, कितने बजे तक है? 5 बजे तक है. ओके फाइन, ठीक है, फिर मैं आता हूँ. एक्टिवा का आपको से बोलो, गए साल का इंश्योरेंस है ना? ठीक है, चलो. So I'll need to go home and come back with the previous year's insurance, and then I can go ahead and renew the insurance policy. Oh, just have a look at the view. The planes are halted out here. This is Jet Airways They are all halted in a line. So now here are the two insurance. I have my insurances of both my bikes, which I need to renew. We'll quickly go and renew the insurances. There it is. There you go. Actually go and he also has Google Pay, so it'll make my work easier. Okay guys, so हो गया अपना renewal. So I have to come back at 4 o'clock and have a look at the view out there. Cloudy, it's dark. Arey, what's there in the boxes? Black Label, Kingfisher. So the stock is in the market, guys. All of you who are interested in drinking, it just seems that everything is normal, but it is not, guys. So I'm just trying to wrap up things when I come out and make sure that I complete all my work. If I want to purchase anything, or if I want to complete all this sort of small works, paying any bills or renewing my insurance, now I need to take my pulsar out and check if I can go ahead and there's a good exhaust. So it seems nice to ride a bike and switching from a scooter to a bike. So good to see that people have started working. Life is getting normal a bit, but awareness is very important. You need to be aware of what's happening, and you need to stay alert. Always keep distance and always keep yourself clean. Sanitize your hands. That's what I'll say. You can see a lot of vehicles now on the road. Before it wasn't like this. It was all empty, and now the buses are working, the rickshaws are working, there are cars, there are motorbikes. So things are getting normal, which is the good news, guys. It seems it's going to rain. That end, it's very dark. Let's stand and ride. Just try to saddle. If I can go ahead and update or renew my PUC. दोस्त PUC करता है क्या? बंद है? अच्छा ऑयल का क्या है? ऑयल करता है क्या? ऑयल चेंज करने हैं? हाँ? खाना खाने बैठा है? खाना खाने बैठा है यार. जब going to eat lunch. What's the time? 10 past 2. Wanted PUC, but PUC has been closed. I don't know. So PUC has been closed, the RTO. So they say that the RTO itself has been closed, due to which they are unable to renew any PUC. So you are examined in case that you have been caught for now due to the lockdown. So once the RT opens up, that is where you will be able to then renew or update your PUC. So that's okay, I can do that later. Let the car go about. There is LE399. I have a safe for jeans out here. There's the ladders. There are shops opened up, guys. And this is the Goda. They have the Godown out here, the warehouse, the stocking things. You can see a lot of onions, garlic with stocked in. अच्छा हो आपसे मिलके ट्रैवल कर रहा था। अच्छा मेरे भी अभी 700 सब्सक्राइबर हो गए। हाँ मतलब आया हूँ डायरेक्टर में और मैं भी चलाता मेरा मतलब मैं साइड में वीडियो एडिटिंग बनाता रहता हूँ। अच्छा चैनल का नाम क्या है आपका? माय ऑन डायरेक्टर। माय ऑन डायरेक्टर। ऑन डायरेक्शन। हाँ I just thought that I will purchase spray so I can sanitize my house. Let's get back on the bike. I'll just show you all what I have purchased. So these are quite effective. You can see I bought 2 of those. I wanted a soft drink. There are 1 liter of soft drink out here. देखो भाई कितना हो गया मेरा? I just seen there is a dairy open out here, and if I can get some curd. Mohsin, right. You have curd or what? Curd. Yes. Give me 100 gram now. You have opened up or what? Samosas and all? Acha, only vada pav. Okay. And what time? 4:30. Okay. 4:37. Okay. Home, like you have to take it home, parcel. Okay. I'll just quickly sanitize my hands because I don't know why when I am in contact with anyone, I just feel that I need to sanitize my hands. Okay guys, so I have bought a glove which is washable, or it can be used by washing it. So I just want to try it how it works, because the other gloves are sort of rubbery and it's just one time use and it's on a costlier side, 100 for just 5. So I thought this will be a good option. And I've got this sanitization liquid as well, which you just need to add water and then you can just spray. Purchase Motul oil. So here it is. So one is for the bike, and the other one what I have is for the Activa, this one. So I have managed to get the Motul oil, and I just hope that this fits in here. So I'm just going to the mechanic and try and get this sorted. So I've just got this. This is the original Bajaj bolt for
this out here. You see. So I hope this fits now. I'll just go ahead and show it to my mechanic and let's see if we can fit this out here. All cracked out here. That's the reason why it was not opening up and I had to change those bolts. Check what is wrong. Because the oil is over. Oil. Okay, so I have changed the bike oil of my Pulsar and also the brake issue out here has been solved now. So the oil level was very less. So I'm back on the scooter again and I'm busy all day shuffling around. It's been evening now. It's almost 4:30 and I'm moving out from around 1ish. It's not roaming around, it's just because I have to complete all my work, especially the work that is pending, especially of the insurance and bike oil. So I just found a mechanic. Shiva! Hey, okay, so that guy was the one who helped me, and now I'll just go ahead and see if I can change the oil of the Activa quickly. तो ज़रा एक्टिवा का भी ऑयल चेंज कर देना. मैं बोला शिवा को, तो उसने बोला कर देगा. नहीं, चेंज करने का. ये देखा इधर पे. I'll just finish all this work and then we're all done. Right, so I'll just sanitize my hands now. I have sanitized my hands around 7 to 8 times, I guess, if I'm counting it right, because every time I'm exchanging money or I'm exchanging any sort of things, I'm changing. Even if someone is touching the bike, it's again sanitizing my hands is very essential. So yes, I just checked with the insurance guy. So he told me that the insurance is not yet come, but he will WhatsApp me or he'll message me or call me later.
When I decided to go for servicing, I found out that there are no local mechanics available. Okay, because ideally at this time you look out for more local mechanics, and the service centers are closed. There are few that are open, but they are far off, and I don't want to take a risk of traveling far off. So I just thought I'll go to any local mechanic and get this job done. If I can't service my bike, what I can do is change the oil of my bike. So with that, guys, I end up my video. I hope you'll enjoy this sort of video. If you did, please give it a like. Please do subscribe to my channel and take care, stay safe, stay home, guys. Bye.